Here is the drone video for an 8.5 acre tract with paved frontage and gravel road frontage or easement road frontage. So we're actually over Highway 14. Well, we're looking over Highway 14 at the property. So the paved road, that's Highway 14, that borders the southern side of this property for about 340 feet. Then it goes straight north for about 1,000 feet. And up there on that little hillside, you see the gravel easement road. That borders the north side of the property. So as we slowly move northerly, we'll be going directly over the property. So of course there's Highway 14, looking right down at the south side of the property. It's basically entirely wooded. The tracks at Hawks Roost were logged within the last 1 to 2 years. Definitely not clear cut. Some were logged more heavily than others. This one has some spots where it looks fairly heavy and some spots where it doesn't look like they logged much at all. As we look to the east, you can see a tract that was logged more heavily off to the east there. But this particular tract, tract 16, appears to look pretty good. So now we're looking west on Highway 14 just to kind of get a look at the area. So nice wide tract, I mean over 300 feet wide. And then, like I said, goes to the north about 1,000 feet. So I mean, you've got a lot of room to roam on this one. This is sort of an early spring drone video, so we do have some leaves on the trees, but it's not quite a summertime video where everything looks green and beautiful. There's just getting a good look at the topography. It's highest on the south, and then on the, well, it's the highest on the north. It slopes down toward the middle, and it rises up again on the south. And as we get closer to the middle, you can actually see kind of a ridge area right in the middle. Look at the topo map and you'll be able to see that as well. But multiple opportunities for building sites and campsites. That valley area, as we get closer to the north, that could be a place where you could potentially put in a pond or a lake without too much trouble. And then actually you can see the truck parked on the north side. So that's on the road which borders the property. Again, you can see some of the tops left from the loggers. Within the next couple years, those will rot away. The remaining trees are going to grow really quickly without the competition from some of the other commercial trees. So it really, within a matter of just a couple years, things will be looking really good out here. Although even in this early spring video, they look pretty good. So now we're going to rotate around and we'll be looking southerly over the property. So truck parked on the easement road at the north side while we look southerly toward the paved road. So pretty nice tract, a lot of possibilities. Paved road access, gravel road access, multiple building sites. You'll have some views, you'll have plenty of privacy depending on where you want to build. Mostly hardwood, looks like a few pine trees as well, and probably some cedar. But fantastic area, wildlife everywhere. The National Forest, Mark Twain National Forest, is within a few miles, as is the North Fork River and Bryant Creek, which are two extremely popular rivers for fishing, floating, kayaking, swimming, canoeing, all that good stuff. So I mean, there is plenty to do out here. Check us out at InstantAcres.com. Let us know if you have any questions, and we would love to hear from you.